Hey, and welcome to Next. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a simple scale animation. Let's get started. Open the Creative where you want to add animations. Then, go to the Extras tab where your overlay assets are listed, and find the asset you want to animate. Click on Animation Settings and turn the animations on. Here, you can choose whether the animation should loop and set the duration of one animation cycle. In this example, we set the animation length to 1.5 seconds, because that's the duration of this specific animation. You can always adjust this later if your animation changes. Select the animation type Scale and set the easing to Ease in Out. The easing option makes the motion look smooth and natural. Next, set the animation to start at half a second, scaling from 100% down to 85% over half a second, and then back from 85 to 100% over another half a second. Altogether, the animation lasts 1.5 seconds and loops endlessly, creating a subtle pulsing effect for your call to action button. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to create a simple scale animation in Next. If you need any help, feel free to reach out using the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner, or send an email to support@next.com.